Welcome to Foxy Guess time to level up your multiplication game. Today we're tackling the tougher tables 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the ones that separate the beginners from the champions. Ready to prove you've mastered multiplication? Hit subscribe and let's see what you've got. First question coming at you now. What is 6 times 1? Fantastic 6. What is 6 times 2? Perfect 12. What is 6 times 3? Amazing for 18. What is 6 times 4? Quick drop a comment below. Wonderful 24. Calculate 6 times 5. Brilliant 30. What is 6 times 6? Spectacular 36. How much is 6 times 7? Yay, 42. What is 6 times 8? Super 48. Calculate 6 times 9. Hey, tell us, which table is your strongest? Excellent 54. What is 6 times 10? Outstanding 60. Calculate 7 times 1. Marvelous 7. What is 7 times 2? Terrific 14. What is 7 times 3? Beautiful 21. Calculate 7 times 4. Awesome 28. What is 7 times 5? Incredible 35. Calculate 7 times 6. Fabulous 42. What is 7 times 7? Quick question. Can you solve these without counting on your fingers? Perfect 49. How much is 7 times 8? Wonderful 56. What is 7 times 9? Amazing 63. Calculate 7 times 10. Excellent 70. What is 8 times 1? Superb 8. Calculate 8 times 2. Brilliant 16. What is 8 times 3? Comment your score so far. Magnificent 24. How much is 8 times 4? Lovely 32. What is 8 times 5? Perfect 40. Calculate 8 times 6. Beautiful 48. What is 8 times 7? Fantastic 56. How much is 8 times 8? Outstanding 64. What is 8 times 9? Tell everyone, are these tables getting easier or harder? Wonderful 72. Calculate 8 times 10. Brilliant 80. What is 9 times 1? Amazing 9. Calculate 9 times 2. Fantastic 18. What is 9 times 3? Marvelous 27. What is 9 times 4? Spectacular 36. How much is 9 times 5? Quick. What's your study trick for memorizing these? Wonderful 45. Calculate 9 times 6. Incredible 54. What is 9 times 7? Brilliant 63. How much is 9 times 8? Perfect 72. Calculate 9 times 9. Show off your multiplication mastery. Comment below. Awesome 81. What is 9 times 10? Sensational 90. And stop. How did you do? Drop your score below, hit like and subscribe to Foxy Guess for more challenges. Stay foxy.